Today we are going to be taking a look at a new script. Now I have been getting a ton of interest from you guys to cover another script, so today I will finally be doing that. But before I get into the video, there are just a few things I want to say. First off, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications, as YouTube has stopped sending notifications. But also, I am a co-owner of this script, therefore I will benefit from any sales of this script. However, I will still try to keep this video as non-opinionated as possible and just stick to the facts and features of this script. But if you guys are interested in purchasing it, you can purchase it on my website, gunbot.store. I will leave a link down in the description down below. But anyways, let's get right into this video and explain to you guys the benefits and features of this script. So first off, this script is called the AutoMoon script. So this is our new script brand where we'll be developing TradingView scripts specifically to automate on different types of markets. And obviously this one was built specifically for cryptocurrency, but one of the major features that we do have on this is actually automated backtesting. So what is automated backtesting? Automated backtesting allows our program to find settings for your script on its own. Normally, the main drawdown with a lot of other TradingView scripts is that you had to spend a lot of time finding settings for the script or finding settings for the trade bot that you're running. But now we have actually created our own software that is proprietary with our own scripts. So it only works with our scripts and it allows you to automatically input settings. So as you guys can see here, I'm not doing anything. This is actually all automated. It's putting settings and then taking in all of this information down here, the profit factor, the net profit, the drawdown, everything. It's taking all of the backtesting information and then it will present it to you in a nice Excel format, and then you can copy the settings and automate them using AutoView or Gunbot TradingView add-on. Pretty much whatever you want, or even just follow the signals manually. It gives you profitable settings for the bot on its own. So that was the main feature that we really worked with the script. We made the script very dynamic so it can work with almost any market and most time frames, although obviously longer time frames are more accurate, but the script does work with all time frames, and along with this automated setting backtester, it does allow you to find profitable settings on its own. So this is just an example of it running, but now I will show you guys an actual example of some of the settings that it does spit out. So here you can see exactly what you'll get after you use the automatic backtester. And as you guys can see up here, you can see the settings on the side and then some of the backtesting information that TradingView does give you. So really cool feature. Since you can put it on Excel, you can easily manage this information. So for example here, if I do want to take the net profit and I want to say, okay, what are the most profitable settings to increase my net profit the highest amount possible within this backtest period? I can just click on net profit and then sort it by the most profitable. So right there, 350% throughout this period that I did choose on TradingView, and then I can see the settings for it right there. So it's as easy as that. You can turn on the automatic backtester on your computer. After an hour, you'll get all of these settings and then find the most profitable settings for whatever pair you're running. That was a really big and important thing that we really had with these scripts. And so now I'll show you guys what it looks like on the actual chart with these exact settings. So here you guys can see the exact chart that I ran the backtest on. So Bitcoin to US dollar on Bitfinex with a 4-hour period. And then I just plug in those settings, 155 and 600 into TradingView, and then as you can see here, these are all of the trades that I would be getting with the bot if I was running it on the live market. Now keep in mind, this script has no repaint and also has an alert script available, meaning that you can automate this. So after you find your settings, you can plug it into our alert script, which does come with your purchase, and then you can automate all of these trades. So just really quickly here, you can see a lot of the buys and sells. It found the exact top of Bitcoin. It has a lot of really good shorts here. So if you guys are looking to leverage trade on BitMEX and you want to make profit even on the downwards moves, then you can see all of those there. You can see it got this top almost perfectly. And then obviously this move was a little bit more rough, but you can try as many different settings as you want. And then once you find something you're happy with, obviously this is extremely profitable if you're just looking at the numbers, then you can go to your indicators and use our alert script and then fully automate these trades with the exact same settings. So that is really the main big feature about this script. We made it so it can trade on any market due to its wide variety of settings, and the automatic backtester finds those settings for you. So that's the main selling point for this script. And we also actually do have one other script. This script is called the AutoMoon Ganymede script, but we also offer the AutoMoon Titan script, which actually comes with your purchase. So it comes with both of these scripts, and you do get the alert and strategies of both of these scripts along with the automatic backtester, which actually only works with our scripts. So that's a quick overview of everything that we offer within this purchase. If you guys do look on the website here, you will notice that we have two versions. So the AutoMoon Script Pluto Edition and the AutoMoon Max. So all this is the AutoMoon Script Pluto Edition comes with everything you saw in this video, and AutoMoon Max is just 0.01 Bitcoin more expensive, and it does give you the option to trade with leverage and backtest with leverage. So normally on this backtest right here, you can see it's only taking the profitability of the longs. So it's only taking the profitability of this trade to here and this trade to here, but it's not taking any of these short profits. So if you do want to backtest with long and shorts, then you will have to purchase the leveraged edition of our script, which is AutoMoon Max. But for most people who just want to trade altcoins or just want to trade Bitcoin to USD on Binance, then you can use the AutoMoon Script Pluto Edition. And obviously I was talking about automation. You can automate this using any program that allows you to automate alerts. So some of those include AutoView or Gunbot TradingView extension, along with any other one that comes out in the future. Anyways, guys, I will make a more in-depth review on this script once I get more live trading information on my own account. But for now, I hope this is a good video on what this script comes with and some of the big features that we do offer. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are interested in more of these videos, and see you guys in the next one.